Oh, what's up?
What's up, dude?
Alright, homies, so I hope you're enjoying all the content. Welcome back to another video. I just took a nap. Quick nap.
Like always. Nice.
This thing is like a little bit wonky. I need to fix this. Hold on. Archive this.
Your love for me is like a gyro, I can see. I lose my shot, I'm suicidal, think I'm clean. Don't let them all come through to my girl, deep breathing. Inside my heart when you say bottom. Inside my heart when you say bottom.
Wow, this is a nice package. Oh yeah. This thing's so fucking dope. Wow. Only $100, so it's supposed to be a replica or a clone of the stock grill. Actually, those are pretty nice. Yep, dudes, so we just got the awesome package from FCK Light Bars, and this one included 16 new rock lights and 3 new wiring harnesses for me to do whatever I want with. And so I'm probably going to put half on this truck, half on the King Ranch while I wait to get going more on the C20. But of course, as always, if you guys want some dope light bars, RGB, wireless, everything you could really want out of a light bar, you know. These are the flush mount bumpers, and then I got the wheel lights. I'm sure you guys have probably seen the F-150 lights. I put actually a decent amount of work into those ones. But if you guys want to get some awesome FCK rock lights or any light bar order on their website, just hit the link in the description below. Use code BERTBUILDS and you'll instantly get 15% off any light bar order from them. And we're going to be having a giveaway, fat giveaway actually, coming up together. So we're going to be giving away either some rock lights or wheel lights, but I'll have all the details to that later. Just stay tuned for that. It's going to be coming this week for sure. So for its builds, and you know, we've been slacking off a little bit this month, but that's all right. That's totally all right, because we are going to get these builds finished up. We're not going to let anything get in our way. We're not going to let anyone tell us what to do. That's how it's going to be. It looks way bigger than I thought it did. It's okay. But yeah, we got the shocks and undercoating done last week, so we're getting rid of these stupid mirrors here. Alright boys, so here we are over on the driver's side of the 6.0 King Ranch. You remove the little plastic flap, you have one bolt in there, and then you have another one right there. So if you take out the control panel here, you pop it up from that end, slide it out, tilt it over, unplug everything, and then you can get in here with your 932, take those out, pop the door panel off. This right here, you just grab it by the top. It's like a little plastic piece, and give it a yank. See that? Pops right out. And then same as the other side, you have this little piece of stupid tape in here covering up one of your holes. So you're 1, 2, and you have these little grommets and this grommet. So there's the door panel on the ground. Now you're gonna come in here, peel back this flap right here, and this plug right here. That's what goes to your mirror. It's snaked up, and whoop. I have the window rolled down here, just so you know you can unscrew and support the mirror as it starts to get loose. And so you have this little strip of tape right here. You have 2 bolts on the left, and then your 2 bolts on the right side are covered up by tape. So just peel that back, little tiny piece, just insulation. And so this is the last bolt, so you're going to want to make sure you're definitely holding the mirror. There she is. And then she's going to slide out. What is it? 9/32, 2 screws, and then the other one where your lock and unlock button is, you grab it at the front, pop it off, unplug these, and then there's 1 more screw right there, 9/32, pulls out, door panel comes off, and then you fold this flat back a little bit because you got to get to this plug where the mirror goes in. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead, use the 9/32 bit here with the extension. Get these 2 screws back in where they belong to hold the door panel on. And then I'm just going to go over, take my 7/16 and go in and tighten up the mirror one last time. It's snug. Alright guys, so, I mean, the 6.0 is coming along. We did the tow mirrors, got those guys installed. They look pretty nice. Definitely better than the other mirrors. Square, blacked out signals, everything. Working on the sides down here. Gonna try out a Raptor liner kit on them. I used them for Ryan's toolbox when I was doing that. It came out alright. So I'll give it a whirl here because I'm trying to get going on these trucks. Try and make something out of nothing, like everyone should try and do, but you know, that's not how the world works. So yep, we're gonna Raptor line this side. Probably won't get to the other side because it's already wicked late, but we'll see what happens. If this fucking dent wasn't there, this thing would look nice.
They just mad 'cause my truck hard. Man, y'all playing with me, man. Yo. And my truck hard. And I keep going, you're harder. I swear on the scene, my truck look at me. And yeah, I don't go for it with all the D haters. Man. They watching me doing my dance. Bands. Over a track, that man. My truck hard. And I keep going, you're harder. I swear on the scene, my truck look at me. And yeah, I don't go for it with all the D haters. Man. They watching me doing my dance. Bands. Over a track, that man. Hard. Y'all play with me, man. I got $1,000 rolling on my wrist, man. Y'all mad 'cause I'm an 04 track, man. Don't play with me. Yo.